Justin Baldoni, sued by former publicist amid Blake Lively scandal. Justin Baldoni's former publicist sued him, his company and his current publicity team on Tuesday, amid a spiraling scandal over an alleged smear campaign against Baldoni's It Ends With Us co-star Blake Lively. Steph Jones, who owns JonesWorks, accused Baldoni of breaching their contract, which required him to pay her $25,000 per month. Baldoni dropped the firm in August, a few months into a year-long deal, after his JonesWorks publicist, Jennifer Abel, left the company to start her own publicity firm. Jones also sued Abel and publicist Melissa Nathan, accusing them of implementing the smear campaign against Lively behind her back and without her knowledge. She alleges that they are now trying to blame her for the ensuing meltdown. To this day, Abel and Nathan continue to point the finger falsely at Jones now that their own misconduct is coming to light, and to defame and attack Jones in the industry, the lawsuit states. Lively filed a complaint on Saturday with the California Civil Rights Department, accusing Baldoni and his publicists of orchestrating negative coverage about her in retaliation for her complaints of sexual harassment on set. In the complaint, Lively accused Baldoni of a catalog of sexually inappropriate comments and behavior that allegedly took place on set in 2023. According to the complaint, she raised these issues through her attorneys before filming, which had been suspended during the Hollywood strikes, resumed earlier this year. The rift between Baldoni and Lively became apparent during the publicity tour for the film last summer. Baldoni feared that Lively or her team would publicly accuse him of sexual misconduct, and sought ways to combat that. The complaint quoted extensively from text messages among Baldoni's publicity team, in which they plotted to bury Lively. In an unusual move, Lively's attorneys obtained the messages by sending a pre-litigation subpoena to Jones. Abel, Nathan, and Baldoni are represented by attorney Brian Friedman. On Monday, Friedman threatened to sue Jones for releasing the contents of Abel's phone to Lively's legal team. Friedman, Abel, and Nathan did not immediately respond to a request for comment on Jones' suit. In her lawsuit, Jones relates that she forensically preserved Abel's company phone after Abel was fired. Abel and Nathan's covert takedown and smear campaigns were revealed in black and white on Abel's company-issued phone following her termination, which JonesWorks forensically preserved and examined in detail after receiving a subpoena for the phone's contents, Jones' suit states. Jones discovered the breadth and intensity of Abel and Nathan's duplicity from these records, including that Abel was actively encouraging other JonesWorks clients and employees to leave JonesWorks while Abel was still employed there. Jones' suit alleges that Abel conspired for months to leave her company and to steal her clients and trash her reputation in the industry. She accuses Nathan of encouraging Abel to leave, because Nathan would then have greater access to those clients. This scheme ultimately inflicted serious damage on Jones and JonesWorks, states the lawsuit, which was filed in state court in New York. Among other things, the suit alleges that Abel and Nathan planted negative stories about Jones in the press, including an article in Business Insider that was published last summer. The suit alleges breach of contract, tortious interference with contract, breach of fiduciary duty, and defamation.